Hey there and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create coupon code for your services on Acuity scheduling. And then I'll also show you how to edit your email settings on Acuity scheduling. So what I mean by email settings are your email reminders, cancellation, email, and all those details on Acuity scheduling. So make sure you follow this video until the very end. And if you don't understand something, I recommend you to pause the video, go back to the previous part, watch again, and then apply. So stay tuned. I'll walk you through on my PC right now. Okay, here we are on my PC. So first thing first, what you must do is you must log into your Acuity scheduling account. And once you've logged into your Acuity scheduling account, you need to scroll down to the very bottom here and click on packages, gift, and subscriptions. Normally, this feature, right, is a premium feature of Acuity scheduling. However, if you're using a growing plan, you will still be able to create coupon code, but you won't be able to create packages, gift, and subscriptions. So click here on coupons and click here on new coupon for products. And here I'm going to create a new coupon for product, right? But I need to create a coupon code for appointments because I'm selling services. So in this case, it's going to be coupon code for appointments instead of product. So click here, create a coupon code for product for appointments. And I'm going to name my coupon code. So, and the discount is going to be, it's going to be on the amount. It's going to be 15 euros because this is a Facebook Pixel installation coaching class that I offer for anyone who has issue to install a Facebook Pixel on their website. I will show you some of my services in a minute. Okay, these are some of my services, right? I offer a 45-minute discovery call at 65 euros for Facebook installation, for Facebook Pixel installation. So I have a range of services here that I offer, so just so you know, this is my scheduling page. And what I need to do here, so I'm going to offer 15 euros, and this can be used. Each customer can use this once. Yes, the customer can only use it once, or if I want the customers to use it many times, I can allow customers to use it many times, or if I want them to be unlimited, I can go ahead with unlimited. But in this case, I only want it to be used once. So select once. Code applies to any type. No, I don't want. I want to apply to a specific type of appointment. So I'll just untick, select all, and just select the Facebook Pixel installation. This is the only one that I want to install. This is the only one that I want the code to apply on. And the expiration, there's no expiration, and then I'll just click here on save. So guys, here's the Facebook Pixels, right? So if I now want to give the specific code to a specific customer, or I want to promote it on social media, or I want to send this to my email list, I can send this specific coupon code to my email list saying, if you want to speak with me for Facebook Pixel installation, you need to use FB Pixel, right? FB stands for Facebook, and pixels, you know what? So essentially, that's how you create a coupon code on Acuity scheduling. So now I'm going to go back to the home page, and I need to edit some email settings here. So click here on email settings. The first part of the email setting that I want to edit is the initial confirmation. If I want to edit details here, for example, right? If I want to add like an image here, appointment schedule, right? This is the initial email confirmation. If I want to add like my logo here, I can just click here, and then I'll come here to images, choose, for now I don't have a logo. For now, for example, I'll just add this specific image of myself, right? So I can have this image and have it here at the bottom, appointment schedule, or I can just get rid of this, by the way, if I don't want that. I can just have this picture, and the appointment will say what type of appointment, when, and the location. So, okay, guys, one thing I wouldn't recommend you to play around with is to play around with these details: what, when, and where, right? So because these details are details about what the appointment is going to be, when the appointment is going to take time, and where the appointment is going to take time. So ideally, don't play around with these details. Do not touch them. Just leave them. What I will normally ask you to edit, the section that I can ask you to go and edit, is this section, right? This is a reminder your appointment for. You can play around with everything, but leave this area in the bracket, right? Because this is where it says type. That's where the appointment type is going to be. So the system is automatically going to identify the appointment type. So you don't need to change that detail. So leave the type the way it is, but just change the text around it, put your own text and edit it in your own way. So remember again, what, when, where, unless you don't want to have these details, but you're going to need them anyway. That's how the system is set up to have it. So make sure you leave it the way it is. Yeah. And once you've edit your section, please don't forget to save your template. So do the same here for every single section here. You shouldn't change the what, when. Don't change the what, when, and where, because these are extremely important details for your appointment, right? These are extremely important details for your appointment. That's how customers are going to find. That's how customers are going to know what type of appointment, when, and where the appointment is going to take place. So do not change these details. Leave it the way it is. The system is automatically going to find out for what appointment it is, when the appointment is going to take place, and where the appointment is going to take place. So leave this area the way it is. Yeah, again, make sure you save your template. And here I can customize my message, right? Where it says, thank you, your appointment has been successfully scheduled. I can rewrite it in my own words and make it more enticing. That's basically how you do it. And once you've done, so once you finish with all those changes, don't forget to save template. So it has now been successfully saved. Now for the email reminder, I'll basically come here to the email reminder. I will basically do the same. This is a reminder, your appointment, and so on. Make sure you also customize this area. And more importantly, do not forget to save your template afterwards. Now, let's go to cancellation. On the cancellation policy, it says here, appointment cancel. What, when? So essentially, it's just the same process. Go ahead, customize your message. Rescheduling. Rescheduling, you must have a policy for rescheduling. If you have, do you have a policy for your business for rescheduling? Make sure you go ahead and you add those policies here. This is just examples, right? But make sure you do add a policy for rescheduling. If you do have a policy for cancellation as well, you must also enter your policy for cancellation, because some people, for example, if you cancel, you have to pay a fine of 30 euros or 50 euros, right? That's just an example. Some people, you can cancel for free. Some people, you can't cancel. Some people, it really depends. So you must make sure your policy is written there and everything is clear and neat. Follow-ups. This is one of the parts that I really like. I really like follow-up emails. So pay close attention to follow-up emails. So when should you send follow-up emails? My recommendation for follow-up emails would be after the service has been delivered. So 2 days or 1 day after. I think one day is just too close, maybe 2 or 3 days after. So click here on customize follow-up emails. Send this follow-up, right? 1 day after this appointment. If you want it to be 1 day, you can go ahead with 1 day, but I want my follow-up email to be 3 days after the appointment. Only send follow-up emails if the client does not have upcoming appointments. Really, you must go ahead and select your option here. So here now, you can customize your subject email, right? How was your appointment? Things like that. You can leave it if you want to. and come here, write your text for your follow emails, make sure, it's enticing enough. So here for package gift as certificate order, subscription paid, subscription cancel, these areas are for the premium, right? If you just remember, if you're using the emerging plan, you won't be able to use these. My notifications, right? Appointment emails, send appointment, send appointment notification, you clients, and any emails listed on the calendar. Okay, so this area is already clicked. Just click on save. Okay, guys, that's how you create coupon code and customize your email settings. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than ready to help you. Yeah, so thanks for watching. More importantly, don't forget to share this content. Well, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Cheers.